Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 26th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on gold, I still don't really see any full evidence that this is making anything more than a pullback to this last wave up, which to me means that it could potentially just end up doing something like this and then just continuing the uptrend. We definitely have no evidence yet that this wave three is complete on any of the higher time frames. So we could be potentially, scalping to the short side at sort of time frames, but we have to keep in mind that the trend is definitely still up. To me, this looks like an A. Kind of looks to me like we're probably in the middle of a very overlapping corrective pattern for like a wave B, and then it probably will end up pushing down again for a wave C. If it just goes down, three waves down to a Fibonacci retracement level, turns back up, then I definitely would get back on the long side. On the other hand, if it does decide to just keep on going down and giving us this big break of structure, then that's what's going to potentially tell us that maybe the wave three really is complete and that we're now in a big wave four on the daily and weekly time frame. And if we are in a big wave four, then we likely will last. That wave four will likely last about 10 to 12 trading days. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.